Guys, I'm giving away this 4K 1TB PS4 Pro. To find out how you can win, watch the video until the very end. What is up, my beautiful YouTube family? Welcome to the Hack Buster channel, guys. This is the show where we find random life hacks from the internet and we see how realistic and reliable they are. Today we're gonna do some ketchup stain removal life hacks. So let's get started. So I put ketchup in literally everything, in french fries, in burgers, literally everything you can think of. And a lot of the times, ketchups actually do fall on my shirt. A lot of people actually put ketchup in pizza. I have never tried it. If you have tried it, let me know in the comments below. But if this one actually works, I'm going to be like super happy. I actually think this one actually have a really high chance of working because if you saw in my other videos, I say baking soda and vinegar. Those two are actually a really strong combination. If you mix them together, you can clean really hard stains such as tiles and everything. So taking care of a ketchup problem, I don't think that is going to be a problem at all. So I'm going to say this one is actually going to work. But the only way to find out is to actually try it out. So let's try it out. So for today's life hack, there is actually a total of 3 ketchup life hacks or ketchup stain remover life hacks that we're going to be doing. So instead of ruining 3 different clothes, because I'm not really sure if any of them are actually going to work, I'm going to be using the same clothing material. I have a white piece of cloth right here. I'm going to divide it into 3 parts. So I can have first hack, second hack, third hack. So I'm going to wash it so we can see how each of them turned out. So I have this pan right here. Let's divide it. Time to get messy. Alright, so I put ketchup stains in all 3 parts right here, 1, 2, and 3. I put it a little bit beforehand because when you get dirty with ketchup, you get, say you went to McDonald's or something and outside, so you cannot wash your clothes right away. And because I want to make this as realistic as possible, I put all of them beforehand, and so I'm going to let them sit for a while and then I'm going to try it. Obviously, I cannot let it sit for as long as you would take if you're outside, but I will let it sit for, let's say, about 10 minutes and we're going to do the life hacks to see how each of them turns out. Alright, so in the actual video, it looks like they take much of the ketchup out, so I guess that is realistic. If you're outside, you don't want to be walking around with a layer of ketchup on your shirt, so that is what I'm going to do right now. Yeah, that looks disgusting. Yeah. Okay, so I had this number 1 stain right here sitting with the baking soda for a while right now. Next part is to put some detergent on this. Alright, so while the sizzling vinegar, baking soda, and the detergent is doing its magic, let's see our next genius hack. This one we have very similar to the previous ones. The previous one had vinegar, baking soda, and detergent. This one has vinegar and dish soap. It doesn't have the baking soda, so usually, like I said, I think the first one is going to work because the vinegar and baking soda itself is super strong. This one doesn't have the baking soda, so I'm not really sure how well it is going to work. I'm going to say this one is going to work very less, or it might not work. Actually, I'm going to say the second life hack is going to be plausible. So let's see how it actually turns out. So I have my vinegar right here. Alright, so while the vinegar and the dish soap is doing its magic, let's see our next genius hack. Alright, so this one is just like how I said, a lot of people likes eating pizza with ketchup. I have never tried it. Have you tried it? Let me know because I actually want to know how it is. I did try eating pizza with ranch before. A lot of people might think it is super disgusting, but somehow I actually liked it. But with the ketchup, I have never done it. A lot of people like it with ketchup. Maybe I will try that out. Let me know if I should try that out. But anyways, this one looks like the fastest way. WD-40 is actually a really strong chemical and it's literally no scrubbing, nothing. You just wipe the ketchup off and you spray it. Done. So let's try it out. Guys, I'm covered in WD-40 and it kind of smells weird. But this one is the fastest one. So I have all three stains right here right now. First one was baking soda, vinegar and detergent. Second one was vinegar and dish soap. And third one was WD-40. I said the first one is going to be realistic. Second one, plausible. Third one, I actually don't know because I'm not that familiar with WD-40. But right now I'm going to put this entire cloth in the dishwasher, wash it and see how each of them turn out. So I'm gonna go put it in the washer right now and be right back. Alright, so the results are in after washing, freshly dried everything. So let's see how it actually turned out. Alright, so as you can see from number 1 right here, the stain you can see is still right there. This one was cleaned using vinegar, baking soda and detergent. This one did do a lot of the work, but the stain is clearly visible. So I'm going to say this one was busted. The second one right here, it is really hard to notice if any of the stain is still there. This one was cleaned using vinegar and dish soap only. I thought this one was gonna be plausible. This one actually happened to be real. Wow, I thought number 3 was gonna be real also, but this one is literally the worst one. As you guys can see, the ketchup stain actually got a lot worsened and the WD-40 actually made a big splatter stain all around. This pretty much ruined the entire thing. So using the WD-40 is a really horrible idea and I'm going to say, or you all can say, number 3 is busted. Wow, so as you guys have just seen from all of the 3 life hacks that we did, I'm so glad that I did it one by one. That actually gave me a clear look of all 3 of them. It was in one piece of cloth, so I can definitely see it was all of them washed in the same rate away. But as you also saw that I was very wrong. I thought the first one was gonna be definitely real. That one turned out to be busted. The second one I thought was going to be plausible or busted, turned out to be realistic. The third one, actually at the first didn't have anything to say about it, but that one was ridiculously, completely, disgustingly busted. So from the 3 life hacks that we did, I'm so happy that at least one of them worked because all of us eat ketchups all the time and it is very common to mess up our clothes, especially if you have a child, to mess up your clothes using ketchup. So now we know using the vinegar and the dish soap definitely does work. So if you mess up your clothes with ketchup, you know exactly what to do. And that is exactly what we do in this channel right here. The whole point of this channel is to show which life hacks actually work and which one doesn't and how realistic they are and how reliable they are. My point is not to only bust fake life hacks. If something is real, I will say that it works so you guys can see which one works and not, so you guys get the benefit. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell notification so you know exactly when I press the video so you can be in my notification squad because you know I love my notification squad. Also, most importantly, definitely make sure to share this video with your friends and family so they also know which life hack is real and which one is busted so they don't waste their time and money recreating them. Alright, to win the PS4 Pro, first you're gonna have to like this video, subscribe and press the bell notification. Also, most definitely, you're gonna have to share this video with your friends and family. You can share about this channel pretty much in anywhere. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Reddit, whatever you can think of. If you don't have any of those, you can even promote in other YouTube channels. Also, you can show this video to your friends and family in person and tell them to subscribe right in front of you. And after they do, make sure they mention your name in the comment section below so that way I know that they know about this channel because of you. Basically, the person that helps bring the most subscribers to this channel has a really high chance of winning. This contest will end when this channel reaches 10,000 subscribers or by May 22nd. So let's say this channel reaches 10,000 subscribers in a week or 2, you can win your PS4 in a week or 2 or even sooner. But for the contest, this channel has to reach 10,000 subscribers by May 22nd or I'll be redoing the giveaway with another date and another set of subscriber goals. Why May 22nd? Because that is my birthday. So for my birthday gift, I want 10,000 subscribers. And the person that helps me most to get my gift, you get a gift as well, which is a brand new 4K 1TB PlayStation 4 Pro. So guys, time is ticking, get to sharing and best of luck. To watch my previous video, click right here. To see my playlist where you can watch all my videos, click right here. And definitely, most importantly, click on my face right here to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.